AS Smart Soldering Station S15 officially launched. 200W super high power stable output. 2.8-inch IPS HD screen. Capture temperature and power fluctuation. Owns a smart interactive interface design. Multi-level backlight adjustment. Both the strong and dark light are clear. Compatible with T115, T210 and T245 handles, all in one design, meeting diverse needs for soldering. M1 M3 3 sets of memory buttons, switch temperature shortcut channels in one touch. Comes standard with multifunction standby holder. Enable the handle entering standby mode once touching the socket, safe and energy saving. Only 0.69 kilograms ultra-light body, equivalent to 1 bottle of water, portable for carrying out. The top is equipped with a power display light bar, which exudes a strong sense of technology. Both curve and digital interface display master data accurately. Support to upgrade functions via USB. Optimize the software continuously, unlimited functions expansion never out of date. AS Smart Soldering Station S15 innovative soldering experience.